Hi, welcome back to my channel GlowUpSkin. I hope you all are doing really well. Today's video is about diabetes. What is diabetes and how you can control your high blood sugar level? Before moving onward, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Add these drinks to your diet to control blood sugar levels if you have diabetes. A green smoothie will improve your general health and assist you in managing your diabetes. High blood sugar. Hyperglycemia or high blood sugar, as it is commonly referred as, is associated with diabetes and prediabetes. What is prediabetes? You have prediabetes if your blood sugar level is elevated but not high enough to be classified as diabetes. Your body typically produces the hormone insulin to regulate your blood sugar levels. Insulin allows your cells to utilize the blood sugar that is currently circulating. There are two factors that contribute to high blood sugar level. Number one, when your liver creates too much glucose, your body produces too little insulin. Or your body cannot efficiently utilize insulin. These internal factors can contribute to high blood sugar levels. Try these drinks to improve your blood sugar level. Chamomile tea, an aromatic European plant of the daisy family with white and yellow flowers. Chamomile tea has long been used to heal a variety of ailments. It contains antioxidants and cancer prevention qualities. According to research, sipping 1 cup of chamomile tea after meals can help lower blood sugar, insulin, and insulin resistance. Next one is vegetable juice. You cannot try tomato juice or a vegetarian juice alternative, as most 100% fruit juices include 100% sugar. For a tasty supply of vitamins and minerals, create your own combination of green leafy vegetables, celery or cucumbers with a few berries. Do not forget to include the berries in your daily carbohydrate intake. Next one is kombucha. Black or green tea is frequently used to create the fermented beverage known as kombucha. It is an excellent source of probiotics, a group of beneficial bacteria that live in the stomach and have been shown in numerous studies to improve blood sugar balance. Next one is coffee. Coffee without sugar. Coffee may lessen your probability of getting type 2 diabetes by improving sugar metabolism. Type 2 diabetes is an impairment in the way the body regulates and uses sugar as a fuel. Just like with tea, it's imperative that your coffee be unsweetened. Overall, coffee with milk, cream or sugar has more calories and may affect how your blood sugar levels respond. If you choose to use them, you have a variety of choices for low or no calorie sweeteners. Next one is low-fat milk. Milk does add carbohydrates to your diet, but it also contains significant amounts of vitamins and minerals. Limit your intake of milk to no more than 2 to 3 glasses each day. And always choose unsweetened, low-fat or skim varieties. Incorporate these simple drinks to your routine if you are struggling with high blood sugar levels. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.